I'm gonna finish it.
I just want to remind you, this is literally 9 pounds of pizza. It's like eating 10 pizzas by yourself. Words cannot express how full I was feeling.
You still got quite a ways to go, Joey. Are you gonna be able to finish this?
I'm gonna finish it.
Really?
You guys aren't gonna finish?
No way.
You can't give up. No, we're doing it.
I don't see how you're gonna do this.
You would think being a competitive eater is fun, but this sucks. He's almost done.
Yo, I got the pizza sweats bad. I don't even really like pizza that much, I'm not gonna lie. I'm
Same.
never eating pizza after this.
Look how much he's eaten. He has like 2 feet left. So his pizza is this long. We still have twice as much pizza left as him. We're not even close.